Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best protector for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, the SPGUARD Full Protective Screen Protector. If you're looking for ultimate protection for your 45mm Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, this product is a game changer. First off, let's talk about what makes this screen protector stand out. It's crafted from premium tempered glass, which means it's built to last. The 9H hardness ensures that your watch is shielded from scratches, accidental drops, and those unexpected bangs that happen throughout the day. Whether you're at the gym, out on a run, or just navigating daily life, this protector will keep your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro safe without compromising on its sleek design. Now, you might be wondering about touch sensitivity. One of the standout features of this screen protector is that it doesn't interfere with the screen's responsiveness. You'll enjoy seamless touch interactions, which is crucial for a smooth user experience. Plus, the high-definition transparency ensures that you won't lose any clarity. The screen looks just as vibrant as it did before applying the protector. Installation is another reason this protector earns top marks. With the included alignment tool, you can easily apply it without bubbles or residue. It's a simple process that makes sure your protector fits perfectly on your watch. And don't worry about it being a hassle to remove. The protector comes off cleanly whenever you need to replace it, with no leftover adhesive. The SPGUARD protector package includes 4 screen protectors, so you'll have extras on hand in case you need them. That's great value, especially considering the level of protection you're getting. Plus, the inclusion of wet and dry wipes, along with a suction cup for installation, makes the whole process that much easier. In summary, if you want to keep your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro looking as good as new and fully protected from damage, this SPGUARD screen protector is the ultimate choice. It's affordable, durable, and incredibly easy to install. For more in-depth product reviews like this one, make sure to subscribe to Product Critique. See you in the next video.